Welcome back everyone to the channel once again at Daily Driven Dots. Thank you for tuning in, for liking, subscribing to the channel. You guys help out a lot just by putting that little thumbs up, yep, on the video on the bottom. So anyways, today we're going to be tackling the L28e engine swap. I am getting ready to put it on the engine stand, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the Maxima oil pan and pickup tube from this engine because of the way that it was installed into the A10 wagon. It just to be able to clear the cross member, I had to have a front sump on it. So we're gonna go ahead and put a rear sump oil pan from an l28e turbo with the oil return fitting on it already, so we don't have to customize anything. It'll be all direct bolt on. So we're gonna tackle that and start putting some Pro Tuner parts on right after I paint the block. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the block black again because I already cleaned it, pressure washed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do final little touches, paint the block, and then go ahead and start putting all the Pro Tuner parts on. So in this video, we're gonna have all the Pro Tuner parts put on and the engine basically pretty much ready to go into the car. So stay tuned in, here we go. So here we have the 280ZX L28ET turbo oil pan. Here we have the pickup tube. So I went ahead and I washed this out really good, cleaned it all out, make sure there's nothing in there. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out too, even though it's clean, making sure there's nothing in there at all. And now I'm gonna go through some gasket sets that good old friend Mr. Mike gave us 2 boxes. Hopefully there's a gasket for this in there and I don't have to RTV it. So fingers crossed. Let's see what we got and we'll go from there. All right. All right, well, it's day 2. We're back at it because of the rain. The rain's been a pain in the ass. I had to go out of town for the NGB build that's gonna be on the channel pretty soon. Once I get everything set up, I got the new wheels here, but we're not talking about the NGB today here. We're gonna continue on here with the engine. So I had to wait about 2 days to get a new gasket. I got the new gasket installed. I got all the long bolts where the metal brackets at all around, all the small bolts on right here. A little worried about this kink right here, but I think it should be fine. I found the specs online on Hybrid Z. Hybrid Z is actually, what does it say here? Anyways, okay, so, sorry. I'm reading a text. All right, so Hybrid Z says the pickup bolts 7 to 12 foot-pounds of torque. I already did that on the pickup tube, which is already in there. Now we're gonna do the oil pan bolts 4 to 7. So I'll probably go around maybe 5, see how it feels, and then I'll go to 7. I think 7 being the max, it should be fine. So that's the case. That's what we're gonna do. Right now, just waiting on Dave to get here. We're gonna tackle this together, talk some shit, and super hyped up because now once we have this torqued up and ready to go, then I can paint the block. I'm gonna paint it black again. See, some of the blues are already exposing, so I gotta clean it real good with some acetone. clean everything up, and paint that block black again. I want that black looking real good because the car's gonna be silver inside. So I'll get that done. Then I can start putting all the Pro Tuner parts back on this or on this motor. I have everything already set and ready to go. So moving forward, it's going good. I'd probably say within the next week, we should have this painted and this in there. So stay tuned in. Let's keep going because I gotta torque this and yeah, do a couple things. So let's keep going. All right, so we got Dave on the block. Look at this motherfucker. Oh, he's got a Beamer behind him too. All right, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Back alive.
Back to work.
What's up, Doug?
What's up?
We're here filming some shit.
What's up, YouTubes?
Yeah. You saw that Beamer behind you?
Yeah, he tried to play with me.
He didn't want the sauce.
No.
No. It's not even a turbo. It was like a 328 or
He
something.
came around the corner as he saw me coming.
Yeah.
He flew around the truck, and I watched him in the rear view, and he got a little square to come out. I'm like, dog, he can't. I want him to, but he can't. Hey,
Looking good, man.
I brought your favorite friend.
Oh, you'll be surprised with what I got done. I left the torquing to the end. That's looking good, bro. All right, let's get back on this shit.
She's back together.
That's good, bro.
Oh, the MGB.
Yes, sir.
All right, talk to me, dude. So do we got to go home?
Now I already got the gasket on. All the longer bolts where the metal brackets are at, and the smaller bolts where they go on the oil pan by itself. Everything's on except for they just need to be snugged and then torqued to 7 foot-pounds.
7? Okay.
Yeah, no more than 7.
I know what 7 feels like with my fingers.
Yeah, so I have the torque wrench here just to make sure.
Well, good. We'll use the torque wrench.
And so here we go. All right, moment of truth. Oh, there it goes. That's 7 foot-pounds of torque right there.
Yep, and we got to do that.
So you're gonna cross this way.
Yep.
And
what
then
we're gonna do is the most important part when sealing the oil pan gasket, especially on these old Nissan engines, is you want to make sure that you secure it in the middle. And then from the middle, after you get these 3 studs locked down in the middle, then you're gonna go crisscross. You're gonna go here, then the opposite side, then that side, then this side, and it's just a crisscross.
Crisscross all the way
through
around.
until you get to 7 foot-pounds.
All right, well, let's get at it. Let me get on this side. Oh, yeah, baby, let's go.
Nothing.
I look like a retard round throw.
Hey, there you are. KC came by talking shit. Anyways.
You got a nice car too. You got to do a feature on it.
Oh, yeah.
He's got 2.
Yeah, he's got the old school and the new school. All right, well, apart from the bullshit talk, oil pan has been torqued down, sealed up,
Yep,
good to go.
75 Uncle Nuggets.
Yeah, so we did 7 foot-pound of torque, and then we did a little touch with the fucking hammer little drill here.
And the only reason why we did that was that oil pan was a little beaten up in spots.
Yeah. Especially right here where this bend is.
Especially on the right side
It's a
of the
little skeptical about this, so we gave her an extra little tight up. But that's it for that. So the next time you guys see the next video is gonna be fully painted, dressed up, Pro Tuner parts of the ass, and ready to possibly go in there. KC, stop hiding from the camera, dude. I got you. Yeah. Let's go see Casey's car so we can fucking.
This is a nice piece of
yeah.
work right here.
This one right here is a 2017.
2021.
Oh, 2021. They all look the same. Wow. Yeah, so this one here is 2021 WRX, and it's sitting on some nice wheels. Lip kit all around. All right, man, we're gonna get out of here. Fuck it, I'll catch you guys later. Stay tuned in for everything that's coming. So, thank you very much.